Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Bisola. Welcome back to another video, guys. I'll be doing my makeup without a mirror. So the importance of mirror in makeup, it's so huge. Like, you don't can you do your makeup without a mirror? Like, have you ever tried to do it if you are just in a hurry, then apply your makeup and go, all of that? But for me, I've never done that. Really a makeup person actually, but I've never tried that before. So today I'll be doing it right here. In case you're hearing voice or echo, this place is so silent. It's a new place, so stay with me. I'm filming with the front camera now, then I'll change it to the back to make this video so real without seeing myself. So, I don't know, I'm not adding primer, but I'm just adding my foundation. Ooh. So what I would do is that I will just try as much as possible to set my mind to it. Like, hey God, I don't know how this thing will tell. Hopefully it's not a mess because I think I've added a lot of foundation to it already. Like, I think so, but I don't mean it, please. That's what I'm thinking. I think I have a lot of foundation on already. So let me just try as much as possible to blend it in and see to my neck also. Please, oh, I'm not a makeup person, so I'm so sorry if it's not perfect. Like if I did had it like a makeup artist would do. So I'm gonna set my mind to it and see what it would be like. Okay, I think I'm done. I think I'm done. I think I'm done. I think so. So So next, I'll be doing my brow. I need to, as in, I'm supposed to do my eyebrow before I apply the foundation, but you know, so I'll be doing my eyebrow now.
I'm doing my eyebrow now, guys. So, I think I need to start from here. Then, we go. I'm just tracing my eyebrow. So, let me just fill that in. Hopefully, this doesn't turn out so worst, like, I don't know. Trying to change this. And then second.
I think I'm we do my eye shadow without a mirror, which is transaction color though. I think so. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, but if you do, if you can do this without a mirror, can you just please let me know? Professionally, wow. I think I'm done. Then I'll just go in with my hand to add another color. in my head. Let me blend it. Wow. So I'm just going with this color right here. Like, just hope this is not original eyeshadow though. So it makes this thing hope at the end of the day. Sometimes I think we should just work with our mind. Like, just, oh, I'm trying not to add too much to it. So not end up messing it up. I think I've made a mistake here. Like, the brush just, it is what it is. Like, hopefully it's not that messy. So right now I'm going to be concealing my face right now. Just add a little bit of, I have one in my hand already. Wow. But then I try to blend this in. Wow. Such a beauty. I think I'm doing so well. I think so. I'm not saying I'm doing it, but I think. I think I'm doing so well. Wow. Just wow. Even though I'm not saying this, but I can feel it. Sometimes you're doing nonsense, like, you'll be feeling lost yourself with the nonsense you're doing. So, let's see. Next, I'm going with contouring myself. Excuse me, I don't have a lot of, so just in case. Cool, let me just add setting powder. Uh, Please, I'm not a makeup person, just in case. you're wondering, I don't have a lot of brush, so I think I might as well, but I'm not doing nonsense, so I'll just try to brush that off. Wow. So let me just go in with powder. I'm not doing too much, guys. I'm not doing too much. I'm just making this video for fun at all. That's all. If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up if you do, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not. So so
That's going to need that I want, so I'll be doing the lip that I want, guys. Just the nude lipstick. Yeah, we just have my lipstick.
a matte lipstick, then we had a little bit of gloss. I think we all can do this, like without a mirror, only lip gloss though. So guys, this is the final look, and let me see what I've done. Ooh. Let me see what I'm doing since. So I'm going to take a mirror now to look at myself. Like, what the heck? Oh my god. So face review. Oh my goodness. What is this? Like, can you see this? Can you? Like, I tried. Like, I don't know you guys, but I really tried. So guys, I think I do a good job. Like, what the heck? Wow. Just wow. The lip is what? The up close is the this thing is not blend. What the God. Life without a mirror. How can you? Like, you can never. I'm telling you, you can never. Don't even go there. Don't even try it. Like, wow. Look. I almost saw something. What is this? The blending. Ew. Ooh. I'm now. if you're looking at it from afar, you won't really notice what is wrong with it. But if you come closer, you see what I'm talking about. See the way, look at my lip. Focus, please. Wow. Ooh. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it. Please, if you do, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be part of my family here on YouTube, please, guys. I'll see you again next time. Bye. Have a lovely day.